Keeping your finances private and easily accessible is key, and Revolut makes it super simple. Right, let's dive into how to unhide your Revolut balance, so you can see your funds at a glance. First, make sure you've got the Revolut app open on your phone and you've logged in. You should be looking at the home screen, which shows an overview of your finances. Notice how the balance at the top is currently €1 hidden. Now, the magic, spot the icon in the top right corner of your screen near your available balance. That's the key to revealing your funds. It's right next to where your balance amount is hidden in this screen. To unhide your balance, tap that icon. Just a quick tap, and watch the magic happen. One tap, €1 and your balance is now displayed. You don't need to enter a code or complete additional steps. Now you can clearly see how much money you have in your account. Want to hide it again? The same icon works to control what others see, ensuring your privacy. Simply tap the icon again. Voila! Hidden once more. This quick toggle is simple and allows you to keep your balance visible or private. That's all there is to it. Remember, you now have total control over the visibility of your Revolut balance. Keep your funds safe and accessible whenever you need them.